How to activate Eastwest Credit Card online. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your card. So follow these steps to activate your card. Go ahead and open up any of your web browser. At the top search bar, type in eastwestbanker.com. As you do so, you will see its official website of Eastwest. Tap open it. Now for better visibility, go ahead and tap on three-dot icon on your top right. Here check the box that says desktop site. As you do so, you will see the screen like this. Now tap on three-bar icon on your top left. Here under personal, you will see online banking. Now choose personal. At this page again, enter your username. Once you do so, enter your password, and once done, tap on to login at the box below. In case you don't have an account, tap on sign me up and create yourself an account. To do that, you simply have to follow the on-screen prompt. And if your credentials are correct, you will get logged into your Eastwest bank account. Just like so, this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload. And just like so, this is how you can do it.